Okay, unless you're new here, you're familiar with this. This is the calendar that we use to keep track of the days. So the top is Sunday, the bottom is Saturday, and the very last day is the day that we're going on a cruise. I don't have enough Mickey heads, so I had to cut out some more. But I want something that looks better than this. This drives me crazy. These are just taped to the wall, and you can see all the tape marks from previous days. And I just don't like the way it looks. So I came up with an idea, and let's see if this new plan will work. If not, I'll just repurpose these things for something else. Okay, I went to Pop Shelf. And each one of these squares was $5. And that looks like it'll hold 7 up and down. And at least 4 across, probably more. So I got 4 of those because that's all they had. And then I went to Target. And my first thought was magnets, but then I was like, no, they're going to fall on the ground, the dogs are going to eat them, yada yada. So I went with Velcro, and these are little Velcro squares that I'm going to cut into 4 pieces and put a quarter of one of these squares on the back of each Mickey head. And we're going to try that. So let's see if I can get 7 on this to start with, and then figure it out from there. Okay, so I have got room for, this is the 7 days, and I can do 6 weeks. So I like that. So 2 boards is going to give me 12 weeks. I bought 4 boards. It's going to give me almost 6 months. So I'm really pleased with that. I think what I'm going to do is get a permanent marker, Sharpie, and actually make a grid pattern on here. So every Mickey has its own little square. And then I will put a piece of Velcro in each, a little square of Velcro in each square, and then Velcro on the backs of the Mickey heads, and then stick everybody on. Those are my 2 new. I just cut those out today. Aren't those pretty? I actually did 4 different patterns. I did those, these, and this one's actually got a shimmer to it. I don't know if you, yeah, there it is. So I cut out all blue ones. All right, let me go grab a Sharpie and get started on these. Okay, here's where we're at. I've got basically a grid. I'm putting the pokey side in the center of each one of these squares. I'm putting the soft one on the back of these because when they're not on the board, they're in a container. So I figured probably better to do the soft ones. And then I will put everybody on. I will put letters along this side. I'll punch out letters and put them on here for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. Okay, just making sure I had 7. So I can do that. I can even put numbers on top, like temporary, for the different weeks, just so that we can keep track. Sorry about that. And I like it. And Ethan's job is going to have to be mounting these on the wall straight. And he can either do them all 4, like boop, 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 or he can do them in a square. I don't really care what he does. He can make that decision himself. But I think it's working really good. And then when it's time to take one off, you just pull it off and that stays on there. I like it. These are cute. And I like, it's kind of got like a little bit of a, I don't want to push it too hard because I want the Velcro to stick. It's got a little 3D effect there. It kind of pops out a little. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I had to laugh at this. I punched out my little letters. I found my little create a sticker thing and then realized how old I was. You guys would just use the Cricut, wouldn't you? Yeah. Oops. I have one of those. I can't use it. Okay, I love it. Ethan just has to put... Sorry, Linda's scratching and the whole table is shaking. I love it. Ethan just has to put it up on the wall. I think that came out really nice. Yeah, that looks much better than just taping crap up randomly on the wall there.
How about this?
No!